What's up everybody, it's me Sergio, I'm with MobilityDirect. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the difference between the Buzzaround CarryOn HD and the Buzzaround CarryOn standard version. And I'm actually going to tell you what most dealers don't tell you, why you shouldn't buy either one of them. Make sure you stay tuned to the end because what I'm going to tell you is going to blow your mind, and I'm probably going to get a cease and desist letter from the manufacturer. But that's okay, I'm doing this for you. Obviously, this is the heavy duty version, model number GB220, and it can support 400 pounds. The GB120, which is the smaller brother, can only support 300 pounds. Now folks, I'm not gonna bore you to death and go over every single spec. If you wanna see all the specs, we have in-depth review videos for each one. I'll put the links to those videos in the description below. One other thing you could do at the end of the video, I'm gonna put a comparison chart showing all the specs side by side. You can print it, stay tuned to the very end. I'll put it on the screen so you can pause or download it, do whatever you need to do to really study these two models. You could also claim a copy of our free product catalog. Go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button. At the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the short form, and you'll get this awesome catalog in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks. It's gonna have all the specs as well. Or just come on by and test drive one of these at one of our local stores. There's no better way to do it. Now I gotta tell you, these are our top 2 selling models across the board, across all brands. Why? Because they fold flat and you can tilt and roll them into the trunk of a car. They're airline compliant, they're great for going on cruises. You can go pretty much anywhere with these. You don't need a big SUV or a truck because of the way they fold and tilt and roll right into the trunk of the car. Now, what I don't like about these models is that the armrests do come out, okay? A lot of people think, oh, that's great. But guess what? Look at these nubs that come with the armrest assembly. This is a drywall killer. If you turn into your drywall or into your nice cabinetry in your kitchen and this hits it, you're breaking something. You're scratching something. There's no way to remove this. Normally, when you take the armrests off of a seat of any scooter, you don't have this giant 2-inch nub of metal destruction and death sticking out. Okay, imagine that going into someone's knee. Lawsuit waiting to happen. Now on this model, they didn't really do much better. You've got to use needle nose pliers to pull out that little pin, which is, by the way, covered because they don't want you to do it. And getting that thing back in is like reverse engineering the box of Pandora. Okay, trust me, I'm a technician for over 10 years. Putting that little pin back in and holding that spring back is no easy task. My grandma, sir, ain't doing it. I could barely do it. So in terms of what I really don't like is the fact that the armrests do not go off and come back on very easy. All right, folks, so as you can see, these are both fold flat scooters. Now, the heavy duty version is gonna have more ground clearance, about 4.5 inches. The standard version still has a lot for a folding scooter at 4 inches. There's not many models out there that fold like this that are travel friendly with that much ground clearance. I will tell you that the standard version really doesn't have the power needed to handle some rugged terrain like going on mud, gravel, mulch, and things like that. I mean, neither of them really are meant for that, but I've torture tested the GB220. I highly recommend watching that video. This thing can hang on some of the most rough terrains. For a folding scooter, I think it performs pretty darn well. Now, with that being said, the heavy duty version is going to be a little bit over 14 inches when folded flat, so you want to measure your trunk space to see if it's going to fit in your trunk or wherever you plan on storing it, whereas the standard version has a 12-inch height profile when folded flat, which is pretty darn compact. So if you weigh 250, 200 pounds, get the standard version. If you're like me and you have a big old butt and you're not ashamed of it, get the heavy duty version. And look at this seat. It's much wider. The padding is a lot thicker. I just took this thing on a cruise with my family for a week. I've gone to theme parks with them. We have those videos on our YouTube, by the way. You could see what it's like to do all sorts of things with these models. I would say that the GB220 is best for me because I've got a wide butt. You see, and my butt fat is not just seeping over the ends, okay? I don't like that feeling. On this one, it does. Check this thing out. Working this dad bod for the shot here. See, my butt is kind of sticking off over the side there. Not a lot, but I'm gaining weight by the year here. I'm full-blown dad bod mode right now. And I'm not holding back for the holidays either. I'm eating all the cookies. Okay, so if you're like me, I'm about 215. I haven't checked, maybe 220 by now. You may want to get the heavy duty version. If you're 200 to 250 pounds, again, the standard version holds about 300 pounds. This might be a good option for you. It's really up to you. Now, seriously, guys, these scooters have it all. They've got the lights. They've got USB charging ports. The baskets easily collapse and fold flat. These things are just meant for traveling. Like I said, whether you're on a cruise, an airplane, a bus, a train, we've got videos showing you what it's like to do all of those things. And they're backed by the Golden Technologies brand. They're a great company to work with right here in the United States. So when you need parts, warranty claims, they get them done quickly. Not only that, they're so confident in their build quality, they include a 1-year in-home repair plan for free when you purchase this product. Any of their products for that matter. They're one of the only manufacturers that actually make a lot of their products right here in their United States warehouse. And we're offering tax-free sales, free shipping, and a discount that you will need to call and speak with our non-commissioned sales experts to request. Tell them you want Sergio's secret code, mention this video, and you'll get a big discount that's gonna make this deal too sweet to pass on. Again, these are the Buzzaround CarryOn HD model GB220, and this is the standard version, model number GB120. Our top 2 selling travel mobility scooters for 2025. This thing has been out for several years and it's been our top seller. All right, folks. Well, again, I'm Sergio with MobilityDirect. I want to know, which one would you choose? Which one do you have? Tell me what you like about it, what you don't like about it in the comments section. If you have any questions, I'll respond within 1 business day. Like I said, just drop them in the comments section and I'll be in touch with you. Now, keep in mind, folks, we're not just in it to sell scooters. We give back to the community all the time. We're giving away mobility scooters to people who are truly in need all the time. Part of every sale goes towards funding our next giveaway. If you want to join that cause, together we can make a difference. All you have to do is shop at MobilityDirect, whether it's for a new battery, a key, or a scooter. If you know someone that needs a mobility product, tell them about MobilityDirect's YouTube channel. Let's spread the word and make a difference together. 1 mobility scooter at a time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Your viewership, your support, your likes, your shares mean the world to us. We couldn't do it without you. Until next time, everybody, have a great day.